Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic7 Lite, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, and let's start with the shortest code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both the main numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code, which is *##225#*##. So here we are in the calendar information. We've got all the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code, which is *##426###. And here we are in the diagnostics, so you can check the server, host port, time connected. You can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, you can show advanced view, just mark it, tap on the status again, and here you've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.